polygon.
It's like
Oh,
with
this
the
looks...
solitaire.
Okay, I see where this could get kind of dickish.
It's a bunch of... Oh, God. Yep, they're walking around.
So it is children.
They changed their pattern.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, and they rotate
This
in
isn't
different
quite-
directions.
Oh,
Oh
God.
no.
Yep, they
Oh,
rotate the
oh
same
my-
pattern, but
Oh,
on
nope.
different planes.
Now it's just... Oh, it just picks different... Like, oh, it gets worse.
Oh,
Oh my
a
god.
48 piece of this, please.
Holy
Let's go.
smokes.
This is complete ass. Who designed this?
What is going on?
SOS!
Left.
SOS!
Oh no.
Okay, so they did save the best one for last.
Infinity!
Oh, this is
A
terrible.
square! They're making it smaller.
Oh.
Holy
Where are
smokes, they
those
just kept
kindergartners going?
Yeah.
Where are they going?
So...
Oh
rest-
no, they're dead. They're all dead.
The rest of them at least repeat. That one looked, they just kept changing. Is this a game?
Yeah, so, yeah, as you move, it's Defender.
So it's a side-scrolling fighter game that's also a puzzle you got to solve.
Yeah, so while you're actually moving the cursor to do things, you're actually controlling the game, too.
What?
This
No.
is... Holy shit!
No, you gotta play this one. No,
That's
I want to
next
see
level.
this.
Holy smokes! It's also a jerk because the power-ups
Jesus.
are not power-ups.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Well, it's not like you
Can't
can lose
believe
it.
this.
But let's take a look at this.
Well, it's like so it's like Defender and a puzzle game.
Yeah. Oh god, I already
You gotta
died.
You've
I
got to
have to
solve
see
a
this.
puzzle you're actually playing.
Uh-huh.
I need to see this. I
Okay.
need this in my life.
There
Okay.
you
This
go.
is horrifying.
Oh my god!
Oh god, of course I... Oh,
You died.
I am way behind you guys.
okay. Okay. So
The
this...
background fades out. As
Okay,
you
this is
die.
the top one.
Believe this.
Okay, so
exists.
this one is... Okay, this one is reversed.
What?
We thought this was good. As interesting as it is, this is terrible.
This
Okay.
is brutal.
So this one's over here.
Oh, you died.
God, I can only imagine how hard this was to program. I'd like trying to wrap my brain around it.
Oh, no, I game over.
Oh wow, you did.
Can I hit?
God, it's like
Put in another quarter.
I see a game over.
So I'm going to assume that this is a middle piece.
It's now in demo mode.
Attract mode, as it's known.
God, that's like Kineko Cubicle, where it starts off easy and just becomes balls hard. Holy crap.
I have not heard the name Kickle Cubicle in quite some time.
Well, now it just...
Kickle Cubicle.
Well, now it just...
Made by the,
now-
It's made by the same people who's made this game. Irem Smite played it on stream before.
Ah,
Irem's never made a bad game. Something, something, Moon Patrol.
Okay, so you hit select and it restarts it. But the thing is, if you die and go game over, then you, like, get a little... You can see the thing.
Actually, this becomes actually much easier if you game over.
Yeah, because it's just a mountain that scrolls.
It seems like there's some benefit to being able to play it, because if you're smart, you can move into a piece to see where it
Yeah,
should
that's what I'm
be.
trying to do right now. So I know that this one is this one.
That wasn't a dig at you, Lola.
Let's see.
sure you say that.
Okay, so this piece in the bottom right here is this piece. So okay, now that
I keep looking back at what Teravan said like half an hour ago, and I can't help but see that it still applies.
Just have a loop. Just have it on loop of polygon.
Okay, what? This one? What is going on?
Overgame.
Okay, so this one is reversed.
You're dead. Game over.
This one, okay. Oh.
Looks like you got a good vertical slice going there.
Yeah. Okay, so this one was right here. Oh, except for the fact that I have the thing on the change horizontal, so okay, so this one belongs down here. Do I have this entirely backwards? No, I can't. It's impossible.
Well, when you hit right, does it go right or left?
I hit, it
Then
goes
you
right.
go.
Because there's going left.
You've got it arranged so you can shoot yourself in your own butt.
Okay, so this one has to be. This one right here has to be the right. Oh,
This
and
is like when you're setting up your monitor and you're trying to figure out which one's on the left and which one's on the right.
Yeah.
You're trying to figure out where your mouse pointer's going.
Well, it's a good thing you used an NVIDIA dashboard for all that.
I got 4 monitors now. I gotta live with that shit.
If I really need another monitor, mostly just to put Discord up there so that I didn't know what's going on instead of having like resize it so I'll be able to see everything.
Yeah, I keep one of my smaller monitors with Discord open.
I went from 3 to 2, but they're 2 higher resolution monitors, so.
Yeah, I
I went
got.
from 2 crappy monitors to 2 good monitors and 2 crappy monitors. Someday, I want to get 4 good monitors, set up some Infinity surrounds shit for that.
Live
I have 2 monitors, but they're different resolution sizes. Like one's 16 by 9, the other is 4 by 3.
Yeah, I have 2 4x3 and 2 16 mil.
But we're thinking about it was like before I changed my graphics card, the 4x3 was 16 was native was 16 by 12, but
16
my new
by 12.
graphics card it changed to now has a lower resolution as its native.
That doesn't sound right. You should be able to go manually set the resolution to be the
Yeah.
1600 by 1200.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like its native changed. I think that the native just changed. I didn't say that.
What, does it try to put it at 1280 by 1024 now or something?
Its native is. Let me see. Pulling it up right now. $1280 by 1024.
Yep, there you go. So manually set it. You should have an option. I don't know if what you're using, but there should be an option for you to manually set it and just type in 1600 by 1200.
Okay, so let's say this one. And this one.
With some graphics cards,
Okay,
you
so
can
this one.
manually set your monitor to have a higher resolution than it supports, and it'll downscale it, and it'll look even better. But it
Yeah,
takes a lot of
that's
graphics power.
Yeah, that's how it usually is. But I'm just wondering why, like my new graphics card, which is the higher graphics card and whatnot, but for some reason it's like this this natively goes to a smaller resolution, is what just confuses me.
Okay, so.
I don't know. This looks about right to me, Logo.
Yeah, some of them are like flip.
Yeah, you could go to customize, and then if you're on NVIDIA, you hit create custom resolution.
Yeah, the video thing I have is just like I right click, there's a control panel, and it's go to change resolution. That's it.
Oh, is it going backwards?
Also, I had to buy new cables because it has only one DV. New graphics card only has one DVI port, and the rest are HDMI.
Okay, so.
That was weird. My graphics card has 2 DVI and HDMI and a display port, which I've never actually seen before.
Because I got a 950.
Yeah, I got a 960, so. But what are the 4 gigabyte 960s?
Yeah.
So here's the dick thing, where it's basically like, now I gotta just place my pointer so I'm not actually moving stuff on the thing. Okay, I think I've placed all of them. Okay, so this one's back. This one is just backwards. And I think this one's backwards and upside down. Okay, that one's...
Just start flipping shit.
Okay, this one's backwards. This one's upside down. These two are upside down. Backwards. This one's backwards.
I think it's the top two middle.
Okay. This one's definitely upside down. This one? There! Got it.
Damn. And well underneath the record they set.
Mm-hmm.
Now for Polygon.
Faster.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing any of the other ones. I'm done with this.
That's probably for the best.
Yeah.